Today we're going to install a pet door. I installed ours for Shadow and Billy, saving hundreds of dollars doing it myself. We now have 3 different types of pet doors, and I will go over the differences at the end of the video. Welcome to another episode of All Things Woodworking. I'm your host, Aaron. I've provided additional information in the description. Please leave a comment on what videos you'd like to see next. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share if you enjoy what you see. First step was to find a location for the door. You want to make sure that there will be no plumbing or electrical in the way. I was having issues with my stud finder and found it gave me some false readings. Lesson learned, change the batteries more often. I will fix these during the upcoming kitchen and dining room remodel. I wanted to double check and make sure that the door would sit level in the hole that I cut. I drilled holes from the inside through to the outside siding. Next time I would remove the interior frame and then drill the holes, getting closer to the actual edge of the outside cut. You will see what I'm talking about when we move outside. The holes made good indexing points. I used the level and the square to mark the outer edge of the hole. Then I used the jigsaw to cut the hole out. I installed the insulation back around the hole. I wanted to make sure that the frame is level before I put the sheetrock screws in. The right side went into the stud, and I used anchors on the left side. The pet door in the video today is specifically made for through-the-wall installations, so you get the interior of the framework protected. It also came with 2 flaps for the pets to go through, one for the interior of the house and one for the exterior of the home. Cost of the door was less than $100. If you are interested in purchasing a pet door, I have included links below. The second door we had professionally installed. We have a daylight basement, and in order for me to install it, I would have had to cut out some concrete. The glass company changed out the left panel of the sliding glass door. The new panel included the pet door. We are happy with the door, but it came at a cost of about $800. First pet door I installed was meant for a door, not a wall, but worked great for what I was trying to accomplish. From the outside, you can see it doesn't have a frame for the stud protection. Mine is under a covered area, and I'm very happy with the results. The cost was about $40. Thank you for joining us on this episode of All Things Woodworking. Remember to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed what you've seen.